Have your legs felt weaker lately? Do stairs seem steeper, chairs harder to rise from, and walks shorter than before? You might think it's just aging, but what if I told you? Your body is sending an urgent warning, and your legs are the first to cry for help. I'm Dr. Robert Peterson, and today on WellthWise we re-uncovering why your legs weaken first, and which 6 powerful foods can help rebuild your strength, balance, and confidence in weeks, not years. Stay till the end, because the real reason behind leg weakness will surprise you. And once you know it, you can start turning it around today. Here's the truth most doctors don't tell you. Your legs are the first place aging shows itself because they hold nearly half of your body's muscle mass. They're your foundation. They're constantly battling gravity, supporting circulation, and stabilizing your spine. But as we pass 60, something called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, quietly begins. Each year, we lose up to 1–2% of leg muscle mass if we're not protecting it. And because your legs are your biggest energy users, the loss there drains your stamina, metabolism, and even your brain health. The scary part? It's not just lack of exercise. Inflammation, poor circulation, and nutrient deficiencies silently switch off the muscle-building signals that once kept your legs strong. So how do we turn them back on? The secret lies in your kitchen. Let's begin with a food that looks like blood because it helps your blood. Beetroot. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This boosts blood flow to your legs and muscles, bringing more oxygen and nutrients exactly where strength is built. In a 2021 study from the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who drank beetroot juice before walking showed 14% better muscle endurance and lower fatigue. You don't need to chug juice every day. Even half a cup of cooked beets or a few slices in salad can help. Tip from experience: try roasted beets with olive oil and lemon. It's not just medicine. It's delicious strength on a plate. Next up, the humble egg, nature's perfect protein capsule. After 60, our muscles stop responding to protein as efficiently. It's called anabolic resistance. That means we need better quality protein, not necessarily more of it. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, the key trigger for muscle repair. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who included eggs at breakfast gained twice the leg strength compared to those who skipped protein in the morning. So tomorrow, skip the sugary cereal. Go for 2 boiled or scrambled eggs with spinach. Your legs will thank you every step of the day. The third food fights what quietly weakens your muscles from within: inflammation. Over time, inflammation eats away at muscle fibers and slows down repair. But fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or trout are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which calm inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis. A landmark study from the FASEB journal showed older adults who took omega-3s for 6 months gained 20% more leg strength than those who didn't. Think of salmon as the oil that keeps your muscle engine running smoothly. Try it twice a week, grilled, baked, or in a light curry. If you're vegetarian, flax seeds and walnuts also help. Just a handful a day. Food number 4 is the leafy hero, spinach. Inside your muscle cells are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They generate the energy you need to walk, climb, and stand. Spinach is rich in nitrates, magnesium, and plant compounds that boost mitochondrial function, giving your muscles the power to keep going. In one fascinating cell metabolism study, older adults who ate spinach daily showed better walking speed and lower leg fatigue. Add a cup of spinach to your eggs or smoothies. It's not just Popeye food. It's scientifically proven leg fuel. Next is something creamy that does double duty: Greek yogurt. It's rich in casein and whey protein, which release amino acids slowly and steadily, helping your leg rebuild muscle even while you sleep. Plus, its probiotics improve gut health, which affects nutrient absorption, often a hidden reason seniors lose muscle despite eating well. In a Nutrition Reviews analysis, seniors who consumed high-protein yogurt snacks maintained more lean mass during weight loss and improved leg stability. Try Greek yogurt with berries or a drizzle of honey before bed. It's like sending your muscles a repair kit overnight. Finally, the food that restores what many older adults unknowingly lack: glycogen energy. When your muscles don't have enough stored fuel, they tire fast and feel weak. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs, potassium, and vitamin A, which refuel muscles without spiking blood sugar. A 2020 Journal of Nutrition report found that seniors who ate balanced carbs like sweet potatoes had better endurance and less leg tremor after physical activity. Just half a medium sweet potato at lunch keeps your energy stable and supports muscle recovery. So why do your legs weaken first? Because they're the first to lose circulation, oxygen, and nutrients when inflammation rises and movement drops. They're farthest from your heart, so they pay the price of every skipped meal, every long sit, and every night of poor sleep. But here's the good news: they're also the first to bounce back when given the right foods. Feed them beets for flow, eggs for protein, salmon for repair, spinach for power, yogurt for recovery, and sweet potatoes for lasting energy. Within weeks, you'll feel steadier, more confident, and ready to climb life's stairs again. Remember, strength isn't lost overnight, and it's never too late to rebuild it. Start with one of these 6 foods today. Then pair it with light movement, even 10 minutes of walking or gentle stretching, and watch your legs come alive again. If you found this episode helpful, hit subscribe and stay tuned here on WellthWise, where we help seniors live longer, move stronger, and feel younger. One wise choice at a time. Stay well, stay wise. This is Dr. Robert Peterson signing off.